Good luck to you.
Alright, here we go. Fort Wayne, Indiana, local tournaments. This is the final match play this evening. Kevin Zion against Greg Schaufbuck. This is the final regular season tournament here in Fort Wayne. Next week is our course championship, which is our match play championship. There's Kevin's putt on hole one. A good ace there by Kevin. Greg had an impressive run of 5 straight aces in his semifinal match. We are on the Volcano course to finish out this year's tournament series. Greg playing left rail, and it didn't come off. Kevin will go one up. Alright, hole 2, Triple Hill. Kevin playing the left rail. Just a hair early, so it looks like it's going to cross. So it's trying to come back. Not quite. Easy tap in two. Let's see what Greg can do. Greg playing a right rail, didn't get over to the rail, and not going to swing over. I'll have a little bit of an angle on the deuce putt here. All right, Kevin concedes the deuce. Kevin remains one up, going to hole 3. There is a hump a couple feet off the tee mat, hard to see on camera. Kevin going left rail, back door, and it crosses. Kevin with a good par. Opportunity for Greg to even the match. Also playing left rail. He's trying to line up, and does. Good ace by Greg. We are tied going into hole 4. Hole 4, the longest hole here in Fort Wayne, and it's on newer carpet, so very slow. Right to left break down the fairway. Then left to right once it goes up the hill. There's the putt on the way. Could be a good line. Just broke a little too much. Excellent speed though to be cup high. Kevin gives the deuce, and now an opportunity for Kevin. Despite it being such a long hole, it is a pretty good ace. Well, here's Kevin's putt. If it catches the break, it could be good. A perfect putt by Kevin. That is textbook. Kevin goes one up. All right. Hole 5. Left rail triangle, ideally. Left rail triangle in the hole. Good putt by Kevin. Triangle was added about a month ago. Definitely improved the ace percentage on this hole. Greg's putt on the way. Got the rail. Triangle. Oh, and it slid behind. They tried to come back off the rail. Kevin will go 2 up. In the stroke play portion of the tournament tonight, Rick Ossenfort shot a 28 the final round to come from behind to get the win. Alright, here's Kevin on the saddle hole. And he pulled a little bit and caught the rock. Make for an interesting deuce putt. Trying to play the toilet bowl, a little too firm, and we'll go to the back. And a lip out, and it falls back in to get his 4. That's the danger of the saddle holes. Here's Greg's putt. Looks like pretty good speed to set it in the middle, swirling around. Not going to go in, but it's a tap in 2 that Kevin will give. The lead is cut to 1. Once again, this is the final match play. We're on Volcano course tonight. This is the last night of our regular season. Winner of this gets a spot into our course championship next week. Our course championship is our match play championship, which will also be held on this course. Alright. Left rail, a little late, and just a little firm fall off the back. This will be a tough 2. Have to navigate the hill and the break of the putt. And he pulled it, but it looks like it was good speed where it'll sit up on the plateau at least. And a good 3. This hole has very fast carpet. Add in the heat that we got to today. It is rolling very quick tonight. There's Kevin's putt. Way too much speed. Tapping it up. Looks like he'll also have to settle for a 3. Which he makes. Kevin remains 1 up going into hole number 8. Alright, hole number 8 has a right to left break. Lots of room, no real trouble unless you hit it too hard and come back down the hill. And Greg's putt pushed it out too far. But it does manage to sit up top. And he taps in his 2. This is one of the better ace percentages on the front 9. Oh, he pulled it. He pulled it badly. But cup speed. And he taps in for 2. Kevin remaining 1 up. Kevin was one of our regular tournament players years ago. This is his first tournament back in a long time. Alright, hole number 9. Freshly laid carpet 4 days ago. Hole breaks and plays the same, other than significantly slower than what it was. Alright, playing the bank shot. A little bit short, but the good part of the slower carpet, when you miss like that, it's right next to the cup instead of all the way down by the rail the way it was before. And he knocks in the 2. Right, here's Kevin's putt on the way. If it's the right speed, just short. Taps that in for 2. Kevin 1 up going into the back 9. Alright, into the cave hole. The cement has settled both ways from the weight of both sides of the cave, so it's basically putting down a ridge, which makes it very difficult to navigate to try to make the ace. Greg's putt on the way. It's trying, just runs the front lip. And now he's into the corner. Good 2. It does break from that corner, so very good to get a deuce from there. Let's see what Kevin can do with his opportunity. On the way, looks a little too far over. Tried to slide, but basically the same thing. And he makes the 2. Kevin remains 1 up here in the match play finals of our regular season finale here in Fort Wayne. We are on the Volcano course, which will be the course we play for next week's course championship, our match play championship for the end of the year. And hole 11, the Y hole, left rail, right rail. It looks like it should be easy. It's not. Alright. He just got a lip out. You know, as hard as he hit that, it still wasn't hard enough to get the line. Kevin concedes the deuce. Very difficult to get the kick you need out of the second rail. There's Kevin's putt. Ooh! Ooh! Just off the lip also. Into the corner. Nicely navigated by Kevin. Holding on to the 1-up lead, going to hole 12. Many ways to play this hole: straight, left rail kicker, right rail kicker. It's all personal preference and what kind of speed. What do you want to play? Looks like Greg's going for the straight shot. Got a lot of speed and it loses the line. He taps it in for the 2. Alright, let's see what Kevin can do. Looks like he's also going for the straight line. Got a chance if it can hold the line. It does. Good ace by Kevin. Takes a 2-up lead. Kevin is 2 up. Alright, hole 13. Right to left break. There's a putt on the way. It's got plenty of speed. Does it have the line? Oh! Horseshoe lip. Just a hair too much speed to make it work.
Now it still won't be.
Yeah.
I don't know where I got it from. I just got out of the attic an hour before tonight.
Yeah, there's an opportunity for Greg. He really needs to make this to cut into the lead at this point. That's on the way. It's a good speed if it has the line. Perfect putt by Greg. Nice ace there. Kevin's lead is cut to 1. Alright, hole 14. A hole you feel like you should make. Probably one of the easier holes on the course. But danger still abound if you clip the triangle, because you've got to get pretty tight to it to get it to make. Putts all the way. He's trying the rail shot. It's got a chance if it's got enough speed. Just short. Had the line. Just a hair short. Been a while since I saw anybody play the rail putt, which is a valid line. Rail triangle and lines up. Oh, Kevin pushed it badly. But it is up by the cup. Knocks in the deuce. Remains 1 up with 4 holes left. Alright, hole 15. A couple ways to play it. Go triple bank or double bank. Looks like Greg's going for the triple. Left rail, right rail, back rail. Oh, we got a slide. That's going to the corner. No chance of going in, but it's killed the speed in the dead corner, so that'll be a tap in too. Which he knocks it in. All right, let's see if Kevin can reestablish his two-hole lead here. Rail. Oh, if they're going to kick enough. Get over, it's trying, and in the cup. Good ace by Kevin. 2 up with 3 to play. Alright, this is our pipe hole. The middle hole is the one that leads to the cup. Better hit the hole because he pounded it. Oh, goes in the back, so he is going to have to play it out from down below. And this putt breaks. Knocks it in for a good 2. Any 2 on that hole from down below is very well done. All right, Greg playing the other side. He's trying to line up, just short, but in a safe position. He knocks it in. Kevin is 2 up with 2 to play. Alright, hole 17, that hump prevents anything straight, so it's left rail, back rail, and let it curl into the cup. Extreme left to right break. Left rail, right rail, just a little too much speed for that line, but a tap into. But Greg needs to make this to continue the match. Alright, got the rail. Back rail, it's trying to curl, makes it. The match continues. We go to 18 with Kevin 1 up. Very difficult hole to make. The hole is on an extremely angled hill. Here's the putt on the way. It's got a chance. Oh, just runs the lip. And it rolls a good chunk away. Got about a 7-footer here. Uphill. Putt on the way. Nicely done for the deuce. Kevin, a deuce for the win, which is not guaranteed on this one. Kevin trying to lay it up. It's going to clip the hill and roll back a little ways. Pretty good layup there. And Kevin knocks it in and wins the match play spot for this evening. The final match play of the year. So next week is our match play championship that everybody's been qualifying for all year. So depending on when people get knocked out, either myself or John Lang, possibly Brent Whirling, one of us will show matches as we go on throughout the evening. Thanks everybody for watching Fort Wayne local putt-putt tournaments. See you next week.